everyone, I'm Jackie. Today we'll make gochugi름 or chili oil at home. Chili oil goes well with soft tofu stew, Yukgaejang, Mapa Tofu, and so on. You can buy it at a grocery store, but as you know, it is not as fresh or flavorful as homemade chili oil. I'm a very lazy person, so I prefer making chili oil using microwave. It's very easy and simple, but still very tasty. Please subscribe my channel. Subscribing costs nothing. It's not like subscribing magazines or newspapers. Thank you.